Chef Pete is here, and you know what I've got over here in the oven? I have got, in the proofing oven, a beautiful... Yeah, and then they'll delete us because we're doing the thing here. Okay.
Keep going.
All right. Okay, foodie, Chef Pete is here, and you know what I've got for our new tradition Christmas Eve pizza we're making today in the Carpizzo's kitchen. You know what? Here's Anthony. Anthony's giving it a smell, and you know what? We've got your back.
Mamma mia.
Mamma mia! It's some spicy pizza. Okay.
Buon Natale.
Kala Kristuyana, Buona Natale. Italian and Greek is what we are. And remember, we've got your back. We thank the world of you all for subscribing and sharing and liking our channel. And we have just shy of 3,000 people now on our channel. And we're trying to help. We're trying to help you guys stretch your dollars. Look at Anthony over there. He's going to it. And stretch your dollars. Make your budget, feed your family, and I'm hoping you take the tips I give you. You don't have to cook like me. Take the tips, make it the way your family likes, and enjoy life. Because what do we do here, Anthony? We cook,
eat,
and enjoy.
And we want to thank our friend, Mel Robbins, for all of her beautiful shows this year and for teaching us some new and beautiful things, and we're very grateful. Pete loves you.
So Mel, thank you very much. We appreciate it. We're all YouTubers together, although you're the YouTuber at the top of the
You're the queen of YouTube.
Okay, so we love you all, and this is what we love to tell you all. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and please have great holidays, because that's what it's all about. Give your heart and your love to your families, and you'll get it right back. So this is Peter Carpizzo's, as always. Anthony, what are we?
Out.
Out!
Bye. Wait, you know what? Okay.